One of the things that people get wrong when starting a t-shirt business is what most of us do in the beginning. We do not do enough research on demand. We focus on the supply, like machinery, equipment, and all of that stuff, which is good. But one of the main things for your business to succeed is that you are aware of the demand that's going around. If you don't get that information, then probably your t-shirt business is meant to fail. Hey guys, welcome to another RDA episode. Today I want to talk about a subject from a few questions that we got from our social media about the t-shirt business. No matter if it's HTB, screen printing, DTG, DTF, and many other ways that you can start a t-shirt business, whether it's from home or you get your shop like we did in the beginning. And that's exactly what I'm going to talk to you about. It's our experience. This does not mean that it's going to happen to you too, but perhaps you can get some points before you start your t-shirt business. And one of the reasons why we succeeded is because we took advantage of social media technology in general. Today it's very easy for you to spread the word, to advertise your services out there. As we have said many times, always take good pictures. Whenever you make a sale, take a lot of pictures of the product, so that way people get an idea and get to see a physical proof of what they can expect to. Some people may want to see some samples first. We get all kinds of customers, so it is one of the things that we always recommend on this type of business. Now let's talk about the demand. Now for me, demand depends a lot on where you live and all the things that are going on around. Like, let me tell you, for example, for us during December, we Latinos have this celebration. It's a religious celebration for Virgen de Guadalupe, or Virgin of Guadalupe's birthday. And back then when we were doing custom t-shirts, we used to advertise those type of religious t-shirts. During February, we used to advertise couples matching shirts. And during April, May, we used to advertise a lot of those class of whatever, for graduation t-shirts. Back then, I don't think TikTok was still a thing, but we did have Instagram, Facebook, all those social media, and today there's even more social media that you can take advantage from. So that is one of the things that we always recommend. If pay attention to your surroundings. Even political shirts during the 2020 campaigns, we sold a lot of t-shirts, even decals for like political stuff. Always make the best of everything. Remember, you're a business person, so you gotta take advantage of everything. And that is one of the things that we always did all over the years. And that is why we stay busy a lot, because we took a lot of advantage from technology, from free advertising like Facebook groups, Instagram, TikTok, all of that. So we always recommend that you guys offer your services there. And also there's a lot of online stores like eBay where you can take advantage from them. I also sold a lot of products there, even though I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I have sold a lot of t-shirts on eBay. The only problem that I did not like was, like most of us that sell on eBay don't like, is the weight and the shipping cost, because the more something weighs, the more expensive, or more money you're gonna pay for shipping. Even though I always charge shipping, but the truth is that there's a lot of competition on eBay, and there's people that sell t-shirts for $8 and sometimes even free shipping back then. I don't know right now, because I haven't sold t-shirts in a long time on eBay. I now only sell small decals that I can place on an envelope and just not even go to the post office, just put a stamp, a 50-cent stamp, and just put it on an envelope and put it on my mailbox, and that's it. But back then I used to sell custom t-shirts on eBay, and I would make money, but not as much as I wanted to. And for the hustle It was okay money. And again, I'm not saying that you should not do that. All I'm saying is be aware of all of that. Always charge a fair price for your time. Always charge for your shipping and all of that. And keep in mind that you are going to probably drive to your post office, the nearest one. It could take you a long time. I mean, for me, it wasn't that far, but it was still a hassle. So that is my personal view, my personal experience, but it is good as long as you make good money from it. As of today of 2023, the reason why we sell a lot of commercial t-shirts for companies is for the reason that most of those people order usually around a dozen, 3 dozens, 4 dozens. And right now it is fall and it is October, so it is getting cold and they're ready. All of our customers are getting ready, and some of them already placed their order for hoodies and all of that. So they're not only gonna get t-shirts, long sleeve, short sleeve, they're always gonna get hoodies and other products too. That is why the t-shirt business for that type is really good. It's profitable, but like I say, that is our I don't know if I can say luck, but we were very consistent with social media, so I always give credit to that. It is more like we were very persistent in our posts, sales posts over the years. This did not came overnight. It took us a lot of years. It took us a long time. All of us struggle from the beginning, so it's not only you. Just be consistent on your post. Always be upfront, even, you know, as we said, always be straightforward to your customers. If something goes wrong, try to provide really good customer service. And if they do not comply, then it's up to you to let them go, as we have let go many customers. It's okay, nothing personal, but that's gonna happen on your business too. The demand on your t-shirt business is gonna be based more on where you live and what's happening, what time of the year you decide to start your t-shirt business. So always get a lot of information on demand, not only on supply too. Yeah, I think this is it for this video. If you guys liked it, please smash that like button, and yeah, I will see you guys again on the next video. Thank you.